automatically applied to your account. I just need to make sure that you still qualify for them and that you're eligible to receive them so that we can go ahead and get it applied. Are you currently participating in any energy assistance programs such as CAPS, PAD, or LIHEAP?
CAPS. CAPS.
What's that?
CAPS.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, CAPS.
You're on CAP, ma'am?
Yeah. CAPS.
Okay. Well, unfortunately, that makes you ineligible to receive these discounts since you're already receiving government assistance. But I thank you so much for being patient and listening to me today. You have a wonderful day, all right?
Well, what do I do if I'm done with CAPS?